Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Redmi 9 Power. So on the front you can see the phone's name, and at the back specifications of the phone, which says 48 megapixel AI quad camera, 6000 mAh battery, 6.54 inch display and Snapdragon 662 processor. So quickly we'll open the box. First of all, you can see this lid. Inside this lid we have SIM ejector tool. Then documentation like user guide, which will give you information about the phone. Next you get a transparent back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. Here is the Redmi 9 Power. Good looking phone, comes with AI quad camera. Here is the Redmi branding and back panel made out of plastic. Let's turn it on. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. And here is the 2-pin wall charger which supports 18 watts fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Redmi 9 Power box. Thank you so much for watching this video.